Hello guys, what's up? My name is Vic and welcome to this video about the Genius Wave. So if you're here, I'm pretty sure you're looking for more information about this supplement, then stay with me until the very end of this video. For sure, it's gonna be the most complete video you will see today on the internet about it. I also have some really important warnings and alerts that you must know before actually purchasing it, so stay with me, alright? However, if you watch this video until the very end and you think you need more information about it, I'm gonna leave the link for the official website just below in the description of this video. Just go to the description box and click on the link below to go directly to their official website where you can find all the complete information about this program. But remember to stay with me because the warnings and alerts will be available only on this video, okay? So guys, if you're a person that aims to be rich someday, or you just wanna have a good life, you know what I mean? Like a good relationship, a healthy life, have a healthy body, a healthy mind, and to pursue your dreams, be good at your work. I brought to you guys something that can really help you. So the Genius Wave is a program that was developed to enhance this part of your brains that will pursue your dreams, all right? So we know that there are some sounds that can really activate our brain, all right, to follow some things. So in conscious, our brain will follow that goal and you will get that, all right? All you have to do is listen to it every single day that you will see your life changing completely. You will be seeking for wealth and your life will be much better, all right? So you will see the money coming for you because your brain will be prepared for that. Your life will be prepared to receive that because the waves of the sound that the Genius brain can give it to you, can make you listen to it. It will activate parts of your brain that would never be activated for anything else because they are just activated by some specific sounds, and these specific sounds are in this program. So that's why, and guys, it will target not just one part of your brain but regions, many regions of your brain. So you will be healthy, you will be wealth, you will be in a good relationship because your brain will seek just good relationships, all right? But if you're still scared of buying it, if you think it may not work for you and then you will lose your money, I'm here to tell you that it has an extended guarantee of 60 days. So you can actually test it for 2 months, and if you don't see any results, all you have to do is go to the official website and ask for a refund, and they will give 100% of your money back, all right? So the Genius Wave really works, guys. I'm here to tell you, and you have nothing to lose here because if it doesn't work for you, that I doubt it, you can ask for your money back. But I have an alert to share with you. You can only buy the original program on their official website. It's not possible to buy any drugstores or other websites, only on their official website. Remember that to help you out, I left you the link just below in the description of this video, and that is the only link that you can buy the original program from, nowhere else, so keep that in mind, all right? And this great information I wanted to share with you about it. Thank you so much for watching this video until here. And if you want to be rich, you want to be healthy, you want to have a good relationship, be fine with yourself, please give this program a try that you won't regret it.